Hi everyone, welcome back to WP Plugins for You, where we simplify WordPress for you. In this video, we'll address one of the most common issues WordPress users face, image upload errors. Are you seeing errors like HTTP error, file exceeds upload size limit, or maybe you upload an image, but it doesn't display correctly? Don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll have all the solutions you need to fix image upload issues and get back to running your website smoothly. Let's dive in. Before we jump to solutions, let's quickly understand why this happens. The most common reasons are: 1. Incorrect file permissions. If your WordPress doesn't have the right permissions to access the upload folder, your images won't upload properly. 2. File size exceeds limit. Some hosting providers set limits on how large files can be, and if your image exceeds that, it fails to upload. 3. Memory limit issues. If your WordPress site is running low on PHP memory, it might fail to process the image upload. For the plugin or theme conflicts, sometimes plugins or themes interfere with the WordPress media uploader, causing errors. 5. Browser or cache problems. A temporary browser issue or cache data can also be a culprit. 6. Incorrect file type. If your image format isn't supported by WordPress, like certain WebP configurations, it can throw an error. Solution 1. Check file permissions. First, let's check the file permissions. 1. Log into your website using an FTP client like FileZilla or your hosting's file manager. 2. Navigate to the WP Contents/Uploads folder. 3. Right-click on the folder and choose File Permissions. 4. Ensure the permissions are set to 755 for folders and 644 for files. 5. If it's not, change it, save, and try uploading the image again. Solution 2. Increase maximum file upload size. If the issue is a file size limit, you can increase it by editing your website's configuration files. Edit the php.ini file, add this code and save the changes. Solution 3. Increase PHP memory limit. Low memory can also cause upload errors. To fix this: 1. Open your website's wp-config.php file. 2. Add the following line of code before that's all. Stop editing. Happy publishing. 3. Save and re-upload the file. This increases the memory available to WordPress and often resolves the issue. Solution 4. Deactivate plugins and switch themes. Conflicts with plugins or themes can also trigger image upload problems. Here's how to check. 1. Go to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Plugins and click Install Plugins. 2. Deactivate all plugins. Then, try uploading the image again. 3. If it works, reactivate plugins one by one to identify the problematic plugin. Similarly, switch to a default theme like 2021 to see if the issue is theme-related. Solution 5. Clear browser cache. Sometimes, the problem is with your browser. Clear your cache or try a different browser to see if that resolves the issue. Solution 6. Enable debug mode for detail errors. If none of the above works, enable debugging to pinpoint the issue. 1. Open the wp-config.php file. 2. Add the following code. 3. Check the debug log in the WP content/debug.log file to find the root cause of the problem. And there you have it, the most effective ways to fix image upload issues in WordPress. To summarize: check file permissions, increase file upload size and PHP memory limit, troubleshoot plugins, themes, and browser cache, enable debugging for detailed errors. Always keep a backup of your site before making changes and ensure your WordPress, plugins, and PHP version are up to date to avoid future errors. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more WordPress tutorials. And let us know in the comments which solution worked for you. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.